Hello, students. Nowadays, we are studying the lesson birth from your snapshot book, and it is the last lesson of your snapshot book because the last one has been deleted this year, so it is the last lesson. Okay, and in our previous video, we had studied that how doctor was doing hard effort to revive the stillborn baby, and the doctor lay the child on the blanket and he began a special method of respiration. Then he immersed it alternatively in cold water and then lukewarm water. 15 minutes passed but no breath came from the body of the child. Then doctor made one last effort. He rubbed the child with the towel, crossed and released the chest with both of his hands, and thus he tried to get breath into the limp body. And his efforts bore fruits at last, and the little chest gave a short convulsive heave. The doctor redoubled his effort, and the child was now gasping. And when the child's cry came, he was almost dazed because he was so happy and his efforts bore fruit. Okay, so what happened after that? So let's move in the story. Dear Father in heaven, the nurse sobbed hysterically. It's come alive. And the nurse who sobbed hysterically, and everybody was very happy at that time. And suddenly this happy news came suddenly, so the writer used word hysterically. She sobbed and she said that, dear Father in heaven, oh Lord, it's come alive. Okay, and then Andrew handed her the child. He felt weak and dazed. About him, the room lay in a shuddering litter. And Andrew handed her the child, and then Andrew and the doctor handed the child to the nurse, and he felt weak and dazed because he tried so hard. And about him, the room lay in a shuddering litter, and the condition of the room was very bad, and there is a lot of litter everywhere, and everything were in disordering condition there, like the blankets, towels, basins, solid instruments, and hypodermic syringe impaled by its point in the linoleum. Everything were here and there and disordering state. And the ewer knocked down, the jug was also knocked down, kettle on its side, a puddle of water, some water on the floor, and some in the kettle, and there is a very hostile bustle. And upon the huddled bed, the mother still dreamed her way quietly through the anesthetic. And the mother, she was still dreamed, she was still in unconscious state, and her way quietly through the anesthetic, and it is the impact of anesthesia. The old woman still stood against the wall, and the old woman means the Sushan's mother was still stood against the wall, but her hands were together. Her hands were together, her lips moved without sound, and she was praying. She was giving thanks to God and the doctor too, and because the her grandchild was saved by the doctor. Mechanically, Andrew wrung out his sleeve, pulled on his jacket, and then mechanically, quickly, Andrew wrung out his sleeve and pulled on his jacket. And I will fetch my bag later, nurse. And he said to the nurse that I will take my bag later. Okay, and because he was so tired at that time, so he said that he will fetch his bag after that. after some time. He went downstairs through the kitchen into the scullery. His lips were dry. And he went downstairs and through the kitchen he went into the scullery. Scullery is a place, you can see here, a room washing dishes and for similar work. So he went to the scullery and his lips were dry. And at the scullery he took a long drink of water, means he drank a lot of water there. And he reached for his hat and coat, and then he took his hat and coat. Outside he found Joe standing on the pavement with a tense expectant face. And outside in the room, he when he came out out of the room, he found Joe Morgan was standing on the pavement, and he was very worried. He was in the very tense state, and his face was expectant. He expected that everything would well. All right, Joe, he said thickly, both all right. And then when the doctor came out, he said, all right, Joe, and he said very heavy voice that both all right. Both all right means the baby and the mother, they are well, they are all right. And it was quite light, nearly 5 o'clock. It was quite light, and nearly 5 o'clock, because the time is nearly 5 o'clock. So in the outside there was quite light. uh, a few miners were already in the streets, the first of the night shift moving out as Andrew walked with them, spent and slow, his footfalls echoing with the others under the morning sky. He kept thinking blindly, oblivious to all other work he had done in Blenheim. I have done something, oh God, I have done something real at last. And few miners were already in the streets, and the first of the night shift moving out. The first night shift, the people who works in the night shift, they came outside in the street and they were going home. And the doctor was also in the street, and he was walking, and he was walking towards his home. And he found there some miners, some people. As Andrew walked with them, and Andrew walked with them, spent and slow, and he was very tired, and slowly he was walking, but he was so happy. His footfalls echoing with others, the under the morning sky. Under the morning sky, his footfall echoing. He was so happy. He kept thinking blindly. He was thinking only that oblivious all other works he had done in Blenheim. He has done something real. And he said, I have done something, oh God, I have done something real at last. And he was thinking that he had done something real at last. Okay, and having put the mother on the path, on the recovery, Andrew asked about the child, and taking it for still child. And he was thinking about the whole episode, and the nurse had dumped it the beneath the bed, and to pulled out the child out. And he was thinking everything. Then it was perfectly born baby, but he was stillborn. And it is the case of Aspecia pallida. And then he had done a lot of effort. And at last, when the child's cry came, he heaved a sigh of relief. And then he walked down the street, and he kept thinking, I have done something real at last. It was perhaps he thinks giving to God to enable him to do the impossible. It was impossible, and he had done that, he had completed that, and he was happy that he saved a life and did something meaningful and something real and so he was so happy, and it is the end of the chapter. Okay, and okay, now it is the time of Hindi summary. तो ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, आज ये लास्ट चैप्टर हम पढ़ रहे हैं, इसकी लास्ट वीडियो है आपकी स्नैपशॉट बुक की, क्योंकि आपका स्नैपशॉट बुक का कोर्स पूरा हो चुका है। इसमें लास्ट जो चैप्टर था टेल ऑफ द मेलन सिटी वो डिलीटेड है इस बार, इसीलिए ये लास्ट चैप्टर बन गया है। और टुडे इज़ द लास्ट वीडियो ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। तो हमने इसमें पढ़ लिया था कि किस तरह से डॉक्टर ने बहुत हार्ड एफ़र्ट किया, उसने बहुत मेहनत की है, उसने अपना पूरा एफ़र्ट लगाया है स्टिल बॉर्न बेबी को रिवाइव करने के लिए, और वो अंत में सफल हुआ अपने एफ़र्ट्स में। और जब बच्चे की रोने की आवाज़ आई तो एक खुशी छा गई चारों तरफ, और नर्स भी जो है वो शॉपिंग करने लगी, और उसने भी कहा डियर फादर इन हेवन, ओ लॉर्ड, इट्स कम अलाइव, ये बच गया है, ज़िंदा हो गया है। क्योंकि उसने तो सोच लिया था कि वो मर गया है, और उसने बेड के नीचे भी सरका दिया था उसे। लेकिन एट लास्ट डॉक्टर्स के एफर्ट से वो बच गया। डॉक्टर ने उसको, नर्स को हैंड ओवर कर दिया बच्चे को, और फिर वो बहुत वीक फील करने लगा। अभी तक तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहा था, उसके अंदर बहुत वरीड था उसके प्रति, लेकिन अब वो रिलैक्स है। और रूम की जो कंडीशन है वो बहुत ही ख़राब हो चुकी है, सारा कूड़ा कचरा इधर उधर फैल गया है, सारी चीज़ें जैसे ब्लैंकेट्स हैं, टॉवल्स हैं, बेसिन्स हैं, सारे इधर उधर लटके हुए। हाइपोडर्मिक सिरिंज जो हैं वो भी नीचे फर्श पर गिरी हैं, और जो कालीन है वो उससे पीला हो गया उसके टिप से, और जो जग है वो भी लुढ़का हुआ है, केटल भी एक साइड पड़ी हुई है, उससे भी पानी कुछ गिर रहा है बाहर। इस तरह से पूरी स्थिति अजीब सी हो गई है। और जो मदर है बच्चे की, वो अभी भी ड्रीमी कंडीशन में है, क्योंकि वो एनेस्थीसिया का प्रभाव है अभी तक उसके ऊपर। और ओल्ड वुमेन जो सुसैन की मदर है, वो दीवार के सहारे अभी तक खड़ी है, दोनों हाथों को जोड़े हुए। उसके जो ओंठ हैं वो मूव कर रहे हैं विदाउट साउंड, बिना आवाज़ के, केवल ओंठ उसके हिल रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो प्रे कर रही है गॉड से। और क्योंकि उसके ग्रैंड चाइल्ड को बचा लिया है डॉक्टर ने, तो इसलिए वो भगवान का भी धन्यवाद कर रही है, डॉक्टर का भी। डॉक्टर ने फिर अपना जैकेट लिया, और फिर वहाँ से अपनी जो स्लीव थी उसको उसने निचोड़ा, क्योंकि वो पूरी भीग गई थी। फिर उसने नर्स को कहा कि मैं अपना बैग बाद में ले जाऊँगा, और फिर वो सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतर आया, किचन से होते हुए स्कलरी गया, वहाँ उसने पानी पिया, और थोड़ी देर तक पानी पिया, मैंने खूब सारा पानी पिया। और उसके बाद वो अपने हैट और कोट को उसने उठाया, फिर वो बाहर निकला कमरे से। बाहर उसको जो मॉर्गन मिला, उस बच्चे का पिता, और वो पेमेंट पे चबूतरे पर बैठा था, बहुत ही खड़ा था, बहुत ही टेंस, बहुत वरीड, और एक्सपेक्टेंट फेस था उसका, बने उसको उम्मीद थी कि गुड न्यूज़ आएगी। तो डॉक्टर जैसे ही आया उसने ऑल राइट कहा, जो को जो ऑल राइट, और दोनों ठीक हैं, मतलब बच्चा भी और उसकी मदर भी दोनों ठीक हैं। और अब लगभग सुबह हो गई है, 5 बज गए हैं, और उजाला हो चुका है। और गली में कुछ माइनर्स चल रहे हैं, जो श्रमिक हैं, जो माइंस में काम करते हैं, वो अपनी रात की शिफ्ट पूरी कर करके और अब घर जा रहे हैं। एंड्रू डॉक्टर जो एंड्रू मैनसन है वो भी उनके साथ साथ चल रहा है, लेकिन अब भले ही वो थका हुआ है, बहुत धीरे धीरे चल रहा है, लेकिन उसके पैरों के नीचे, मतलब वो खुश है बहुत ज़्यादा। इस सुबह की ऊपर आसमान के मॉर्निंग स्काई में वो जब चल रहा है, उसके पैरों आगे पड़ रहे हैं, उसको खुशी है अंदर से। और वो ये सोच रहा है कि किस तरह से उसने सारे एफर्ट किए, और आखिरकार उसने कुछ रियल में कुछ किया है, और आज वो कह सकता है कि उसने कुछ अचीव किया है, उसने कुछ किया है। और वो कहता है, ओ गॉड, आई हैव डन समथिंग रियल एट लास्ट। मैंने आखिरकार कुछ रियल किया है, कुछ मैंने हासिल किया है, आज मैंने किसी की जान बचाई है, तो ये एक बहुत उसको खुशी होती है इस बात को देख कर के। तो इस तरह से ये लेसन, आज लास्ट लेसन था इस बुक का आपका, ये एंड हो गया। इसके क्वेश्चंस आपने कर लिए होंगे। ओके, ओके, थैंक यू।